Hey everybody, how you doing? I know there's more important stuff going on in the world right now with like police brutality and protests and coronavirus and stuff. It's a long list of problems in the world, but way down on that list is squirrels eating avocados, and to me it's a big problem. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. They had a feast. They took 1 million little bites out of these avocados, and look at the aftermath. They left bags strewn along the floor. There's one behind us over there too. So it seems like bags work, but not so much, because they didn't touch these bags. These bags are still intact. There's more bags back there. Aluminum foil trick seems to work. See that? That's still holding. And then here's the other aluminum foil avocado. That's still there. The chili pepper mixture water thing seems to work so far. We'll see. The thing is, these avocados are gonna get tastier and tastier as the season goes on, and the longer they're on the tree, the more attractive they are to squirrels. Squirrels are just gonna, as the butterier, the more oil content rises in the avocados, it's a much more tastier snack for squirrels. And check it out, one of the traps is still here, okay? But get this, one of the traps is gone completely. I don't know what happened to it. I came and checked and it's not here. I put 2 traps here. In fact,
there's one buried somewhere in the leaves. I saw that the other day.
Really?
On that side, yeah.
Oh, on that side? Oh.
You can go look for it.
I put 3 traps actually. So maybe that one's over there. One of the traps is gone and one of the traps is still here. I put almonds in there and the squirrels haven't touched that one. So, lesson learned. We're gonna step up our defense against these animals, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. 1 second. All right, so I got a bag of tricks here. First thing, cayenne pepper. This was in the last video. I'm gonna put this cayenne pepper on the avocados that's on the ground. The squirrels already started eating. So when they come back, they're gonna have some spiciness added to their snack that they already picked off the tree. I also got more traps. It's another T-Rex snap trap. I got a lot of viewers left comments saying bubblegum. I got some bubblegum. We're gonna throw it around the tree. By the way, I already put a lot of bubblegum all around this tree a few weeks ago. It's all gone. So something's been eating it. I don't know what it is, but something. The reason why I put bubblegum, okay? Squirrels are attracted to the sweet smell. They come, they eat the bubblegum. It expands in their gut. They can't process it, they can't digest it, and then they go off to squirrel heaven. Well, there's a lot of avocado trees for them. The thing is, guys, I don't live here. This is a relative's house, or else I'd be out here every night with my air rifle, sitting on the porch, rocking slowly back and forth, and just waiting for one of these squirrels to come and try to steal one of my avocados. So we're just gonna throw it around the tree. I'll put the bubblegum like there in the center of the tree, because I feel like more animals go there. So I'll continue to spit some more bubblegum. Well, let's put some cayenne pepper. Let's do it. Sprinkle some cayenne pepper on there. Oh no, here, let me open the other end. There we go. Nice, healthy dash of cayenne pepper to stop the squirrels, okay? Guys, check this out. I'm really confused why the squirrels didn't take this one. Look, it's on the ground, it's exposed, there's no chili powder on it, there's no bag around it, there's no aluminum foil on it, there's no defense for this one. And the squirrels left it alone. I'll put a piece of gum right next to them, you know, so they can chew some gum, clear their breath before they try to get an avocado. Hopefully it'll be one of their last breaths. Here's a spoon of peanut butter. I'm gonna put it into the trap. Uh-oh. Here, let me just use my finger. Slide it in there. I figure since squirrels like nuts, they should like peanut butter, right? Anyways, trap is set. Here we go. Why is it not setting? Careful! There it is. And I love this part. Check this out. Watch. Whoa. Crazy. Alright, let's set this somewhere. Let's put it right here. Let's put it where there's... Let's set it near some juicy avocados. Let's go over there to that side of the tree. Here's a cluster of nice juicy avocados. So we'll put the trap right here. There we go. All right. So there we go. There it is, folks. This is an ongoing battle. It's not gonna end. It's like Star Wars, but it's less entertaining when there's a lot more episodes. So I'll follow up with you guys again. Thank you for watching.